So first of all, congratulations. This is a big day for you.
Yeah.
What it is all about.
So we are very excited, and entire HP team is here. You can meet them,
Right.
and we are very optimistic about this center. So we are going to address the biggest challenge of the industry, I suppose.
Okay.
We are addressing the live demos and need of the interaction of technology for the customers. We are going to interact with that,
Right.
and this will help a lot of people in the industry
Right.
and us.
Obviously, it's a great initiative. I hear it's the world's first such initiatives. So congratulations for this kind of milestone. Going forward, this is the place you have established for the growth of IT market. So which verticals are your key targets for this such kind of place?
So see, a lot of main target is always SMB. We all know that India is growing.
Right.
So SMB is the sector which is flourishing.
Right.
And I think in Noida, sector 63 is 62, 63. They all are like industries and this startup hub.
Right.
We can call it as mini Gurgaon here.
Right.
So I am very optimistic that a lot of software industries, development industries, a lot of people are into manufacturing. They are my friends. So they can visit the center and we can take the leverage of that. I mean, although they can also enjoy the use of technology and they can have the look and feel of the products.
Right. So I sure saw in the invite that there was customized solution you can demo here. So what kind of customization, like someone from an SMB?
So yeah, the best part of this experience center, which I also came up with, the PCs or notebooks or workstations, they are not usually available in the market.
Right.
They are very high-end systems. So going through a lot of investments, we are very optimistic that because they are going to invest in these products, so they can make full use and check out the product, the look and feel, and the latest technology.
Right.
So in the end, what happens if we don't have such demos? Customer at last, as per my understanding, it decides on commercials.
Right.
So that will be giving us a lot of edge here.
Right. So the person can visit and they can test their software what they want to run.
They can. We are allowing every thing which is required for the customer. It is customer's place actually. We are not calling it something which is or something which is. See, the vision of HP India is only this, that customer should take the full leverage of the current technology available.
Right. So you can comment about your association with HP. This is a big breakthrough for you.
Yeah.
So how the association has been so far?
So I'm very thankful to them. I came to know that in 190 countries, this is the first experience center we are going to have it. So obviously, in growing Indian market, we will be the significant one to mark up the growth. Yeah.
Right. So last thing, because it's a big day for you. You are occupied. One more comment. Your message to your partners who are connected to you for the business.
So everyone. So this is something which all of us in the league should come here and visit it and bring their customers along with us. We are here to help you along with HP.
Thank you so much. Thanks. I'm wishing you good luck for this.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.